Hello and welcome to Suman TV. And here you have the treasure of knowledge, the amount of research, and at the same time, the right kind of an awareness which is given exclusive to all those Suman TV viewers there. After a heavy demand and lots of mails being, requesting for, content to be made, the regional content in English, at the same time catering to all the other English speaking viewers who are very much in demand. Now looking at the requirement, we are quite elated and very happy to serve your needs, because here we are to exactly give you the right kind of direction and remain always exclusively very much supportive to you. Now, as part of that initiative, we are not making any kind of a recommendation videos here. Strictly, we are delivering the message, the information, and the right knowledge as part of the awareness initiative for all those investors who believe in their kind of homeworks and who do their fundamental or maybe technical analysis work. After that, only that they prefer such stocks, whether they are eligible to be in their portfolio or not. Now, as part of that kind of a requirement of every viewer, we are here at the same time to cater that kind of a need. Now, let me not take much of your time. Let me start with the stock name. You may call it as a penny stock. Tomorrow, this is definitely going to be a multi-bagger stock which can be dreamt of and then invested for a better future. Now let me tell you the stock name. Yes, I am talking about Jai Prakash Power Ventures, and which is known as per this script symbol, that is JP Power. Now talking about JP Power, if we look at the official website of this, and you can look at the entire information here in the home page. The Jai Prakash Power Ventures Limited has been incorporated on the 21st of December 1994. We are talking literally about more than 20 years, kind of more than 2 decades of experience by this company in related to the infrastructure, being a conglomerate of executing all those large and turnkey projects. Now, if you want to go and take a look in detail in About Us tab, you can look at the background of the company, entrepreneurs, the presence of this JP Power company, the group profile, board of directors, their tenders, vision and mission, and their photo galleries for more interesting pictures. And their businesses are into power generation, hydropower, thermal power, power transmission business, and their environmental and CSR initiatives, what they have done, and all the investor related information is also given in an exclusive tab. You can also go and check out in the media room. Yes, all the details are given there, and you can also click on the contact details. Before that, I would like to show you here, there's an official number being given here for any kind of a clarity or a query if you have, and that number is given here along with the email. That's jpvl.investor@jalindia.co.in. Now that's how the whole information is provided here. And looking at the contact tab, you can look at the registered office, corporate office details are given here along with the GPS map being provided. And you can also ask for many details or information, especially if you have anything to ask for. When I've talked about a script which is going to go miles and miles away and realizing your dreams of making a healthy return and making a strong portfolio. Now I'm going to share some important details of support areas, the accumulation zones and the targets, and stop losses can be decided by according to your kind of a risk appetite. Now before I go to that particular aspect, let me clarify, this is a disclaimer once again. This stock details, what I'm going to give you in terms of prices, are definitely not recommendation. They are for your knowledge and awareness initiative, only for information which you can do your homework and then decide whether the stock is eligible to be there in your portfolio or not. Now the stock JP Power, if we look at the monthly charts, It created a low of about 6 rupees 35 paisa on the 31st of January 2022. Now this stock, once it crossing 6 rupees 10 paisa, it has gone into another kind of a bull zone area, wherein the stock has the next targets of 9 rupees, 18 rupees and 27 rupees are the one, kind of these three important targets in the coming couple of months, say about 8 to 10 months, and then maybe the max 1 year. So now it's your job to find out what could be the right stop loss and where you want to accumulate if you feel so, because it's your money, the rewards are yours and the risk remain with you. So take a very sound and right kind of a information, kind of a decisiveness has to be there before you invest in any stock. This is what the right information I want to get it to you. Thank you once again. Bye bye.